Hello everyone. In today's video, we will solve this problem based on the concept of normal distribution. As per the problem, the height of students in a class modeled by a normal distribution has a mean of 60 inches and a standard deviation of 2.5 inches. Now we have to find the height that exceeds 75% of the class. So that means 75% of the class should have that height below the height that we have to find. So I can explain it a bit better by drawing a sketch of a normal distribution curve. So in this normal distribution, the mean is here and this is 60 inches. Now we have to find the height that exceeds 75% of the class. So now the mean represents 50%. So 60 inches is the height that exceeds 50% of the class. 75% of the class will be somewhere, so I can use a different color, will be somewhere here. So we have to calculate this value here represented by this red line because this value exceeds 75% of the class height. So for this problem, we'll have to use the Z-score table. So I have put the Z-score table on the board. So the first step here is to find the Z-score for the area under the curve or the probability equal to 0.75. In this Z-score table, so we have to look for a value 0.75. Now I found two values closest to 0.75. So one value is slightly below 0.75 and the other one is slightly above 0.75. Now both of these values lie in the row 0.6 and in the columns 0.07 and 0.08. So the approximate value can be 0.675. So in between 0.07 and 0.08. So that's our first step. So we write the Z-score for 0.75, which is equal to 0.675. So we'll start with the Z-score formula. So the Z-score formula is Z equals, and it's X, which is the height we want to find, minus the mean of the height over the standard deviation. We are given that the standard deviation is 2.5. So this here represents the standard deviation and this X bar here represents the mean. Now we can sub in the values. So 0.675 equals X minus the mean is 60 over 2.5. So now we have to solve this equation to find the value of X. So the next step is to cross multiply 2.5. So we get 0.675 times 2.5 equals X minus 60. Now we can multiply the numbers on the left side and I can show you the steps on this side here. 1.6875 equals X minus 60. Now we can isolate X by adding 60 to both sides. So the 60s on the right side cancel each other out. So when we add these numbers, so I get 61.6875 1.75. So I kept the exact values of the numbers to show you how you get the exact answer, but you can round your answer as per the given rounding instruction in the problem. We can write a closing statement to summarize our answer with the appropriate unit. So the height that exceeds 75% of the class is 61.7 inches. So I rounded the answer to one decimal place. So if you find this video useful, please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.